just waiting for you to hiccup. Anytime. Let's see if he does it again. Only if we would have, like, recorded it, like...
Dude, I will fucking kill myself. I swear to God. I'm getting so mad so fast.
Okay.